Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long time dealing with the holidays and New Year's and this pandemic and work. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I decided to do just a little yellow, go a little out there today. I finally found a white primer and white concealer, so I was able to do a really nice yellow on my eyes. So stay tuned to this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave any comments down below and don't forget to subscribe. guys enjoyed today's video. This is the final look. This came out really pretty. My sister suggested these little dots. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all hopefully next week for another video, so stay tuned. Bye.